All right, hey, what's up everybody? Landon with LMR.com. I think judging by the thumbnail and the title, you already know what we're gonna talk about today, so we're gonna get right into business. Introducing the 99 2000 Lightning wheel. In both the factory style size of 18 by 9.5 and what's probably going to be really freaking popular, the 20 by 9 front and the 20 by 10 rear. Y'all probably know the backstory on this one. For the longest time now, we've kind of just slowly added all of the Lightning style wheels to the catalog. We started out with the 20-inch 0102 wheels, that went to the 18-inch 0102 and 0304 wheels, and then about 5 years ago at the time of this video, we introduced the 20-inch 0304 wheel, which has been great. And then with good feedback from all of you, we now have the 99 2000 style Lightning wheel. Jumping right into it, we're gonna first talk about the 18-inch factory style wheel. That's only gonna be available in the metallic silver. When I say factory style wheel, it shares the dimensions as a factory 1999 to 2000 Lightning wheel. It's 18 inches in diameter, 9.5 inches wide. It has a positive 14 millimeter offset, which equates to 5.81 inches of back spacing. And for what it's worth, for those of you that value all the specs, it's gonna weigh about 31 pounds. Switching gears to the 20 by 9 front wheel. It's gonna have a positive 8 millimeter offset, 5.31 inches of back spacing, which is copy and paste from the 20-inch 0304 wheel. And I'm telling you, this thing fits and sits absolutely perfect on the front of this truck. The black and silver wheel is gonna weigh about 33.5 pounds, give or take. And then chrome, being that it's plated, it's gonna weigh around 34.5 pounds. Now out back, the 20 by 10 inch wheel, similar to the front, it's a copy and paste as far as offset and back spacing is concerned from the 20-inch 0304 wheel. And like the front, this sits absolutely perfect. It is just tucked inside of the bedside lip, and God, it just looks so dang good. They're gonna have a positive 6 millimeter offset, back spacing of 5 3/4 inches. The black and silver is gonna weigh about 34 3/4 pounds, and then the chrome is gonna weigh about 35 pounds. So like our other SVE Lightning wheels, these will be available by themselves in a wheel-only kit for those of you that want to do your own thing when it comes to tires. And then if you want to hit the easy button, you can purchase one of the wheel and tire kits that arrive at your door, mounted, balanced, and ready to bolt onto the truck. Like the other SVE wheels, these do require an acorn seat lug nut, preferably a low-profile lug nut. I'll just go ahead and tell you, whenever you buy these wheels, just buy the lug nuts from us because we've already vetted those with all of the SVE wheels for the second-gen Lightnings. And then as far as the warranty is concerned, pretty good warranty on these wheels. I'm not gonna rabbit hole that. If you wanna know more about the warranty, check out the product pages. All right, people, man, this is a good one. Definitely excited these now exist. This pretty much completes the second generation Lightning wheel lineup. We now have them all, 99 2000, 0102, and 0304. So your options are endless, really. And I still haven't decided. You can see the chrome ones here on the driver's side of my truck. I'm torn between chrome or silver. I don't know, y'all comment, which one should I do? I like black. Black looks good, but just my personal preference, this era of truck, I just think a silver wheel or a chrome wheel is just more correct. Again, that's just my 2 cents. Y'all let me know what you think. And then as far as Clint's truck, Clint's Red 99, his dad actually bought him that truck when he turned 16 years old, so he's the original owner, has about 55,000 miles at the time of this video. He's taking his stock wheels off of the truck and obviously replacing those with the factory style SVE 99 2000 style Lightning wheel, which it's kind of crazy. When we took the old wheels off, put the new wheels on, we kind of stepped back and we're like, wow, what a difference it made to his truck. And we should have known that, you know, because we've been doing that with the Mustangs, you know, Fox bodies and stuff. But being able to see a Lightning that way is kind of like, dang, that looks really good, especially on a red truck. That's it. I'll sit here and talk y'all's ears off. We're gonna sign off. If you find value in what we do, like the video, subscribe to the channel, turn on notifications. And until we see you in the next one, for all things second gen Lightning, keep it right here with the real enthusiasts, LMR.com.